Hiya, it's Robin here. I'm glad you can join me beside my fire. Now, let's get straight on with our story this week. It's about a man called Job, and it's taken from the book of Job in the Old Testament. Now, I find it helpful to think about this book as a play script, so it's been written to be performed to teach us something about God. Now, Job loved God and lived a life full of blessings, but God tested Job. Would he continue to love him and trust him, even if times were tougher?
Guys, have you heard about Job? OMG.
I know, right? Tell me about it. I couldn't believe it when I heard.
It's crazy, isn't it?
What? What's going on?
I just can't believe it.
He was doing so well.
Guys, what's going on? Is Job alright?
I cannot believe that you haven't heard. Everyone is talking about it.
Oh, come on. What's the gossip?
Well, you know Job's always been the successful one, right?
Tell me about it. He's got everything. I love his house with all those servants, and I wish I had half as many of those animals.
Yeah, not to mention his picturesque family. Who has that many kids that are both so cute and talented?
I know, tell me about it. The guy's obviously been blessed by God, but things started to go a bit wrong for Job the other day.
Why? What happened?
It's horrible. An enemy army attacked, killed his servants, and stole all of his animals.
No.
Yeah? On the exact same day, lightning struck his house and destroyed it.
What did Job possibly do to deserve all of this?
Well, he must have done something pretty wrong to deserve this punishment.
I don't think he has, though.
No, but God is just and fair. So Job must have done something pretty bad, otherwise God wouldn't punish him.
Guys, it's Job. He's joining the call. Hi, Job.
You look pretty, sore.
Guys, I don't know what to do. I've been praying and praying and listening to God, but I just don't understand why I'm suffering like this. What did I do wrong?
Have you done anything to upset God?
Or your family. Your family, have they done anything wrong?
Look, I don't think that I quite understand it, but I reckon God is still with me even through all of this. God is still God, even through all this suffering.
Why would God allow this to happen, though?
I'm not sure that we can question God like that.
Maybe it's a test.
A pretty painful test.
But
Look, sorry, Job, but I've got to go.
Me too.
Me too. Bye, Job.
oh God, I don't understand why there's all this suffering. But you are God. You are faithful, and I'm going to stick by you. You give and you take away, yet you still remain God forever. Please, help me. Show me what to do next. Show me the way forwards.
So, 3 questions to think about. So pause on the next slide and talk about these. What surprised you about the story? What questions would you like to ask Job? And what questions would you like to ask God? Job seemed to trust God whatever happened to him. And I guess that's what faith is. Now, we all trust people and things every day. So have a look at these 4 pictures and decide who or what is being trusted. And for each picture, there could be several different things that are being trusted. So, as a Christian, I choose to trust God. I trust that He's real and He's with me. I trust that He loves me and helps me. But I wonder, who do you trust in your life, And why do you trust them? Pause on the next picture and talk about those things. For our Song of the Week, we're going to watch a song by a band called Sixpence None the Richer. Now, back in 1999, they had a huge hit with a song called Kiss Me. See if your teacher or parents remember that one. Well, this is a song by them called Trust, less well known. And some of the words from this song are taken straight out of the Bible. So as you watch it, see if you can work out which of those words are from the Bible. I've also put in the pictures from a famous story about Jesus when he walks on the water. And I wonder if you can work out what that has got to do with trust too.
Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Don't worry about tomorrow, He's got it under control. Just trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will carry you through. Lord, sometimes it gets so tough to keep my eyes on you when things are going rough. Then I turn my eyes up to the sky and I hear your voice. It says to me, trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Don't worry about tomorrow, He's got it under control. Just trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will carry you through. Time not weary with the troubles of this world I have overcome. Trust in the Lord with all your heart, lean not on your own understanding. In all of your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight. Don't worry about tomorrow, He's got it under control. Just trust in the Lord with all your heart, and He will carry you through. And He will carry you through.
So for our prayer and reflection time, we've got 105 seconds. Again, there are some pictures on the screen for you to look at, or you might prefer to just sit quietly and keep your eyes closed. It's up to you. The first two pictures I put on have got the words from the Bible that you heard in the song. So I'm going to leave you to enjoy the silence, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Bye for now. Bye.